For those days,
the way you were still very young,
and
now we're still living with this one.
You have grown some beers.
Taking something
like a very white.
white cup.
A white cup. It's not white cup. It's white.
That is my Italian issue of drinking.
When you were a very young boy, you used to say ndakuwa daktari. Ilifika aje?
I was a driver, but I reached somewhere. Since that is one way of nonsense, then I came at home. Only to drink.
Only to drink tea.
And cultivating sugar cane, teaching, and cutting grass for animals.
Not to drink tea.
Is that one for the churches. Not a church member.
You are not a church member. You are who?
I'm a member of Full Cherokee Gospel Church. Or PAT in Mombasa, UG in Uganda.
You are a very bad man.
Which means Anglican beef, I'm in Posa. Full Cherokee Gospel Church, I'm in Changa. PAT is smoking of a cigarette.
PAT.
Uganda, that's smoking of bang.
Mbaya sana.
Taking heroin, marijuana, sakana na tiva and whatever.
You are a very bad man.
I eat everything, not only for Kuperi, which I don't use.
It is only Kuperi that you cannot use.
That one.
Like anything that is watering, you can use.
All.
You are a very bad man.
Maybe. But if I have not taken something like this one, we can't do anything.
Sawa.
If your plan is just free.